There are individuals who have been waiting on God for years for breakthrough, but they still fold their hands, they still sit at home, they still don't put energy to make sure they make it work. I'm talking to you today. I'm bringing for you good news. We have these top 5 online side hustles. Now we can call them for you the hustles. They can be main hustles where you can earn $500 per week seated at the comfort of your home in this 2025. You guys, let's face it, salaries are rarely enough. While most of us, we fold our hands and wait for that monthly paycheck, the smart ones are taking actions. They are building side hustles that bring an extra cash. They create financial freedom and let them live their lifestyle they truly want and they desire. And guess what? You can do it too. God did not say it is only for Christine, it is only for James, it is only for who? No. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 online side hustles for 2025 that can help you earn $500 per week, which makes it $2,000 per month, all at the comfort of your home. Let's get started. The first one here, we are going to first think about why side hustle. Why do you think it matters a lot in your life, in my life? Before we dive into the side hustles, let's talk about why this is very important. Inflation is rising, costs are going up, and even salaries just aren't keeping us. By the time you get your salary, you already finished it. But here is the thing. The internet has opened up endless opportunities. I'm not talking about the opportunities of what I'm seeing, women shouting on TikTok, men shouting, abusing, people are paid to abuse each other. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the opportunities to make money online, clean, free, and very simple. Whether you're looking to pay off your debts, save for dream vacations, save for your house, have even extra income for spending, a side hustle can be your ticket for financial freedom. As I record this video, I just received my alert. It is very beautiful. It is very wonderful. All right, let's dive in and see these 5 top online side hustles that 2025 has for us. These are beginner friendly, you people. They are flexible and they have a huge earning potential. I'm going to start with one of which I know everybody is in position to do it. Freelancing with AI tools. Freelancing is still one of the best ways to make money online. And in 2025, it's going to be even bigger than even how it was. Big thanks to AI. Platforms like FIFA, Upwork, and many others are flooded with opportunities for writers, for graphic designers, for video editors, and many more. But here is a game changer. It's AI bots. They are even when I talk about them, I smile. Tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Tutoring, these ones can help you to complete your project faster and take on more clients. For example, if you can use ChatGPT to write blogs, it takes you very short time. Canva to design logos, it makes only minutes, and you charge 50 to 50 or to 100 per project. That is, can you imagine? And you are well on your way to hitting $500 per week. Now, we are going to see one by one how we can access these side hustles. We are talking about selling digital products, and number 2. Selling digital products is one of the most common one, and it is across many niches. Digital products are the ultimate passive income streams. Think of ebooks, think of templates, printables, or online courses. In 2025, the demand for digital products will only grow. Even you can grow. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to write an ebook, or even Canva to design templates. Then sell them on platforms. There are different platforms. I've been telling you, Gumroad, I've been telling you, you can even sell them on your own website. You can make your own website very simple and easy. Just go on WordPress and begin on it. Once it's set up, the sale will keep roaring and you will put in very minimal efforts. The only thing is expecting your money every end of the month. The third one is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a powerhouse for side hustle, and it's only getting better and better every day because the world has tuned and has channeled the efforts on online. Promote products or services you love and earn a commission for every sale. These sales, the moment you promote it, every sale you will make a lot of money from your unique links. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Share Sale, and ClickBank, they make it easy to get started. Please go and visit them. Use social media, use a blog, even YouTube to share links. With the right strategy, you can easily make your $500 per week. Now the fourth way is virtual assistant. Businesses are always looking for virtual assistants to help with tasks like email management, social media rescheduling, and customer support. If you're organized and good with tech, this is a great option. Platforms like Bire and Time, these ones, they can connect you with clients. Here you can even charge $20 to $20 or $30 per hour and you will still hit your $500 in no time. Now you people, do you trust that really it works? Yes, it works. The fifth one is amazing and I love it so much because it's the one that has made me open up the bowels of passive income and money. For me, is content creation. Content creation is booming now and it's not slowing down at all. If you expect that it's going to go down, never. Whether it is YouTube, TikTok or Instagram, there is money to be made. You don't need fancy equipment. You only need your phone and some creativity. Use AI tools like Tutoring for video editing or ChatGPT for script ideas. Monetize through ads, even sponsorships, sell your own products. The best part here is that you can even keep earning for years to come. Now that I've told you guys, this is the real truth. While most people are waiting for the next paycheck, you have the power to take control of your finances. These side hustles are flexible, they are scalable and perfect for anyone looking to earn extra income. So what are you waiting you? I will feel bad to say that you've been following me, you've been my friend for these years, but you've never gotten a chance to earn money out of this. Please, free consultation, free really masterclass for people who have been my close people and watching our YouTube channel. I will do that for you because I want you to earn money. What you do, I want you to pick one of the side hustles, one of the step here, and really tell me, start building it. The life you deserve is coming soon if you start. If you found this video, you guys, I know I've talked so much, but if you found this video helpful, apart from liking, apart from engaging it, apart from telling us good things about our video, please, I would love you to put in the comment section that I'll start one. Thank you very much. See you in another video.